What's up, YouTube? It's your girl. I think I'm funny, and I'm back with the Dietrich Show. You cannot come to my channel unless you say I'm period. If you're not saying I'm period, what you doing? You're not watching the Dietrich Show. Today we making homemade pizzas. We're gonna make this real quick for you guys, and like that. Okay, guys, you see I have the pizza dough ready. The crust is ready to be made up. So guys, you see I have two pizza crusts ready to be packed and ready. So I'm about to put my pepperonis in the stuff, and I'll come back to y'all. Okay guys, so I have applied the sauce. Probably gonna go with one more cup of sauce, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the cheese on. So guys, we're gonna go in with the cheese, and as I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the cheese. Now you can have your pizza as much cheese as you want, as much sauce, like I said. And my pizza, don't make my piece, your pizzas for you, make them for. I mean, don't make them for me, make them for you. On par. Put as much cheese as you like. So add the cheese. Okay, so when you added your cheese, this is how it should look.